Hi, I'm Jenna.
Hi, I'm Jenna's daughter, Era.
Welcome to Chemistry Playground.
Let's learn more about density.
That sounds great. I have some really fun experiments. We're going to try 3 liquids and test their density. The first is honey, your favorite. The next is water. And the third is oil. You want to check out the densities?
Yeah, we should do honey first.
Okay, do honey first. Pour it in the top. You got to give it a good squeeze. It's sticky.
Why do bears like that?
Well, it's also very delicious. Okay, that's good. I'm going to help you with the water, so it's a little bit heavy.
Because it looks a little heavy. Just a little question.
Yes.
Why, when you pour it in, why is it like it sticks to the side?
Well, it's really viscous. Viscosity is the measure of how thick something is. What do you think is going to be more dense? Let's make a hypothesis. The water or the honey?
I think it might be the honey.
Water is H2O. And here we go.
Ooh, that looks satisfying.
So look at that. See how honey's at the bottom? That's because honey has more density than water does. Now let's test oil.
My prediction was right.
All right, the last one is oil. What do you predict?
I predict that I think the honey's still going to be the biggest.
All right, let's see.
That looks like kind of a cool pattern.
So which one's the most dense?
The most dense would have to be this one,
The honey.
the honey.
What's the least dense?
The least dense would be the oil because it's on the top and the honey's on the bottom. And then the middle option would have to be water.
That's great. All right, you ready to throw some stuff in there and see what we see?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, first I have some Legos. Let's see where they are for density. You can just toss them right in and see where they go.
Whoa.
Great. How about some grapes?
I love grapes. Whoa.
Wow.
Let's try some pom-poms next.
All
These are
right.
my favorite colors.
Pom-poms. So let's see what happened in our experiment. What do you find with this density column?
I find that all of them are at different levels, and if you can see that when you drop in one, they might change because it needs time to actually like set in the place it's true. Ooh, look, the Legos actually went down.
That's great. So what about grapes? Are they more or less dense than honey?
More.
They're less because they're sitting on top. Great job. We're going to get that high five down by the end.